शेनवारा जागतिक भ्रष्टाचार आड दिसा निमतान गोवा कॅन संघटनेन मडगांवांत भ्रष्टाचारा आड जागृताय उपक्रम राबयल्लो. भ्रष्टाचारा आड झगडपाक सगळ्या गिरायकांनी एकठांय येवपाची गरज आसा म्हण ह्या वेळार गोवा कॅन संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष रोलांड मार्टिन्स उलयला. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Today is International Anti-Corruption Day and Goa Can is organizing this awareness campaign here at Margaon in the Municipal Garden to give a message to the consumers that we all should be united against corruption by demanding for better quality goods. Today we are facing a lot of problems with the consumers, whether it is telephone, electricity, water supply, cable TV, and the consumers are grumbling, but they do not realize that the reason they are getting poor quality service or poor quality goods is because the compromise is made so that extra money can be paid as bribes. Today worldwide this day is observed asking people to unite against corruption, stop paying bribes, demand for better quality. Today we are finding if we put a lot of pressure, the government departments will take action. If you see these days so many raids are conducted about the goods where they are increasing the MRP. सुबेज पैसे काडटा लोकांचे, लोक फसता, बँकेन चोरयो जाता, ATMाचे चोरयो जाता. All this is happening. If you analyze it, it is because the root cause of this is the corruption where people are not fighting for better quality. We are appealing to the consumers today that they should file their complaints. If they file the complaints, action will be taken. Suffering silently is not a solution to people, is our message. And therefore, we have distributed the slips to the people, asking them they can file their complaints on email, they can file their complaints on telephone, and very importantly, whether it is a small issue or a big issue, we are asking, appealing to the consumers, file the complaints, whether it is at a panchayat level, municipality level, or at a taluka level. There are so many opportunities for people to complain. If they complain, action can be taken. Goa Can has appealed to consumers all over Goa today to come out in large numbers and start filing their complaints, so that in 2018, the government will be forced to put more inspectors, more officers in the field and conduct more raids, more inspection.